tight, let me know. It's probably about right. If you can swallow, it's probably okay.
That's awful. That looks awful tight.
Is it tight?
That's okay.
There's not a whole lot of strip.
That's okay?
That's okay.
Alright, let me
You can still breathe and
let me back up. We'll go from there.
Wait.
okay.
It's
Nice out. You probably wouldn't need a sweater.
It's okay?
it's got fairing.
70 degrees, I'd say put the sweater.
You look good.
Yes.
Yep. Step on that. Yep.
There you go.
There you go. Yep.
He's not shy. He likes it.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. The nice things about getting for us getting the bikes, you get the basket case in the hospital and kind of kills the idea.
Ready?
So,
Alright.
thanks a lot.
Take care.